Oh my goodness, there again. Extreme cut! This time we made 9 bloopers.
First of all, we made a color blooper. Second of all, we made a background color blooper. Third of all, we made a font blooper. Fourth of all, you made a fan-made language blooper. Fifth of all, we made a glitchy blooper in the baby text. Sixth of all, we have another Coptic letter. Seventh of all, we have girly Greek letter in the baby text. Eighth of all, we have a fan-made Russian letter. And ninth of all, we made a style blooper.
This time we made 9 bloopers.